AI गवर्नेंस को लेकर, for AI governance we obviously have three important things. Hiroshima AI process at the time of G7 meeting, and Hiroshima AI process has adopted risk based approach. Risk based approach. Risk based approach means regulate AI without affecting the innovation. So means regulation without stifling the innovation. That is risk based approach. Then one more thing has happened. Delhi Declaration, Global Partnership for Artificial Intelligence, that led to Delhi Declaration. It is supposed to be open, collaborative, safe and trusted. So Delhi Declaration focused on the following. Open means to help the countries, collaboration means the partnership, safe and trusted means avoid the misuse. Then the latest we have is the Bletchley Park Declaration, Bletchley Park, which is the first ever AI safety summit, AI safety summit. So this here the emphasis this has been on the safety part, and it has been signed by India, China, France, UK, USA. These are the major countries who have signed. Around 29 countries have signed the Bletchley Park Declaration. So this is about the things related to AI.